Hello everyone! So today what I'm gonna share to all of you, my fellow creators, is this Khadi Sketchbook that I ordered at Amazon.ca. I'm excited in videoing my first unboxing. I've been starting my arts journey since 2 years ago. And during those period, I already got my favorite materials for my arts journey, and not even think that time will come that I will be doing and sharing my arts journey through YouTube. But in the coming days, I will be featuring all of my favorite arts materials in my YouTube channel. So let's go ahead with this short reviews of the Khadi paper. So in the end of this unboxing, I will do some simple painting with this sketchbook journal. So please stay tuned. So this is a Khadi Sketchbook, 220 cm rough, 100% cotton rug, and it's made in Karnataka South India. It is a hand-stitched binding watercolor paper journal drawing, and it's a handmade papers. So it's a white rough papers and hand-stitched binding rough surface, good for watercolors, ink. I really like the hardcover, and it is a recycled cotton scrap to make this paper, and seems to be very eco-friendly. This is a rough textured, as you can see, but I don't recommend this for beginner because it is not the easiest and consistent surface to control. Maybe the soft one, the soft texture, because they have other different kinds of Khadi paper journal. So you see how rough the texture is. So this is very good for landscape and some other loose painting. But I like this texture very much, because I do some loose. So this is the first page of the Khadi sketchbook, and it's interesting because it has a smooth surface. So I had a chance to try a smooth surface. So the size of this journal is 10 inches by 8.5 inches. It is organic in consistency on the cotton thread and wavy sides of these pages. And this is a handmade and sun-dried paper. So since the first page has a smooth surface, so I can tell that this is really good and absorbs more water, and it doesn't buckle. So I really like the Khadi paper. I'm using this schmincke watercolor in here, and it's just a very simple and basic floral painting. So in the second pages, which is a rough surface now, I will be doing a galaxy in a triangle form or shape. So I'm just playing with my colors and the paper to really know how it performs well. I love the extra granulation effect that most likely due to the rough surface. So I can say that based on my own preference, I really love the handmade organic feel of this Khadi sketchbook. So there are still some simple and basic painting coming on this video to test how good this paper is. So I do hope you enjoy this simple review of mine.